Cars Drive Sphere brings you an in-depth look at the 2025 Aston Martin DBX, a luxury SUV that blends high performance with British craftsmanship. This latest model continues to showcase Aston Martin's commitment to elegance and power, making it a standout in the world of premium SUVs. The 2025 DBX is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for a thrilling driving experience. Its all-wheel drive system ensures superior handling, whether on city streets or rugged terrains. The refined suspension system enhances ride comfort, making long journeys smooth and enjoyable. This SUV is not just about performance but also efficiency, offering improved fuel economy compared to its predecessors. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin designed with luxury in mind. Premium leather upholstery, high-quality materials, and meticulous craftsmanship create a sophisticated atmosphere. The advanced infotainment system features a large touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, and an immersive audio system that enhances every drive. The digital driver display provides real-time vehicle information, ensuring you stay informed at all times. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the 2025 Aston Martin DBX. It comes equipped with an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and an advanced parking system. The 360-degree camera ensures enhanced visibility, making maneuvering effortless. Cutting-edge technology such as AI-assisted driving aids further improves safety and convenience, making the DBX a perfect blend of power and intelligence. The exterior design of the DBX remains true to Aston Martin's signature style, with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic profile. The sculpted body enhances both aesthetics and performance, reducing drag while maintaining stability at high speeds. The choice of vibrant color options and customizable design elements allows buyers to personalize their DBX to match their preferences. With all these features, the 2025 Aston Martin DBX continues to redefine the luxury SUV segment. Whether you're looking for performance, comfort, or cutting-edge technology, this vehicle offers an unparalleled driving experience. Its combination of power, elegance, and innovation makes it a top contender in its class. For more in-depth reviews, latest updates, and exclusive content on luxury cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more exciting automotive insights.